Hi, I'm Caitlin, one of the youth librarians at Skokie Public Library, and joining me today is
Desi.
Today we are going to talk about sound. Lots of us have heard about it, but what is it?
You mean noise? Oh.
Ugh, exactly. Did you ever wonder how the sound goes from that truly obnoxious whistle to our ears?
On the wings of killer bees?
Actually, kind of. And in the case of that whistle, absolutely. But it turns out that all sound, good and bad, is made the same way.
Magic?
Science magic. All sound is vibration.
Like something moving back and forth really fast?
Yep. I actually like that you brought up killer bees because, believe it or not, that buzzing you hear when bees are nearby is actually the sound of their wings beating really, really, really fast. Vibration. Think about the sound a rock makes when you drop it into a bucket.
Sploosh!
Exactly. This is a good example because it actually gives us a visual. Okay, you know how there are particles around us all the time?
Yep.
When the rock hits the water, it displaces those particles in the air, pushing them against each other, which then pushes those against other ones, which then get pushed even farther out.
Oh, like a wave.
Exactly. You can see the ripples in the water moving further away from each other. So those particles in the air that are bonking each other all over the place, riding that wave.
That sound wave?
That's what it's called. So that sound wave travels into your ear through the ear canal where they meet your eardrum.
Why is it called an eardrum? It looks nothing like a drum.
Great question. It's not that it looks like a drum, it's that it acts like a drum. They both vibrate. If you put your hand on top of a drum that's being played, you can actually feel it vibrating. When the particles that make up sound waves hit the eardrum, they make a vibration. And that vibration sends a signal to the brain that something is going on, and that something is sound. You know what? I can actually show you. For this experiment, you need a bowl or a big cup, some plastic wrap, some rice or salt or some other lightweight grain, and something noisy. I'm using a metal cake pan and a fork. Stretch your plastic wrap very tightly around your bowl. If it doesn't want to stay put, use a rubber band. Put some rice on the plastic, then make some noise. See that rice jump? You can see the sound waves are vibrating the plastic film.
Very cool.
And that brings us to our project. Make your own guitar with real vibrating strings.
For this project, you will need a sturdy cardboard box, a long cardboard tube, some scissors, some thick tape, some rubber bands, and some art supplies.
First things first, you're going to draw a hole in your box. The hole, also known as a sound hole, amplifies the vibration of your strings to make a louder, cleaner sound. Grab a grown-up to help you cut the hole.
Next, you're going to decorate your box.
When you've finished, add your rubber bands. 6 rubber bands makes a guitar, 4 rubber bands and you've got a ukulele, or add however many you want and you've made your own new instrument.
Tape the tube to your bass and you're all done. Rock out!
You know what I always say, right?
Desi, if you need to make that much noise, go outside.
Yes. And the best way to learn a new concept is through a catchy song. If you sing a catchy song,
you'll never get it wrong.
That's right.
How do we hear things?
Like my uke strings.
Or a truck, a quacking duck.
Sound is just vibration caused by the creation.
In other words, eruption of particle disruption.
Those sound waves go to your ear holes.
That's how your brain hears here's our refrain.
Sound waves. Thanks for tuning into our noise today, sound creators. We'll see you next time. Until then, get out there and make some music.